Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you how to delete a files from folder or delete a specified file from a folder or delete all the files from the folder. So, for example, look at this folder. Here I have some different type of files like some it is a png file and some text file and a csv file and document word file and some text file and some image files. Okay, so what if I want to delete only specific file from this folder is, so go to your UiPath and search for sequence activity, and inside this I am going to search for delete activity to delete a specific file from the folder. So okay, here you just need to pass the path of the file to which we are going to delete. Okay, so go to our folder. For example, I am going to delete this new students list file from this folder. So click on it and keep pressing on shift and right click. Here you can see an option as copy as path, and if you just click on it and right click on it, you can't see that option copy as path. So you must do one thing is click on it, keep pressing on shift and right click. So here you can see the option copy as path, click it and just copy that path here. Okay, so let me show you two windows. So that's it, let me run this code. So now this file is going to be deleted. So our task is done. The new students list file have deleted from this folder. And so what if you want to delete only some specific type of files, like if you want to delete only these text files from this folder, here you can see here are two text files. So what you need to do is, let me show you, go to your UiPath Studio and let me search for each activity to iterate through all the files in folder. And here I will just change this type to string, and inside expression I will just copy the path of the folder. So Control C, and inside this expression editor let me type directory dot get files to get all the files, and within braces and inside quotations I will copy the path of the folder. So let me open in advanced editor, and here it will get all the files from this directory. So and add a comma here, and within quotations start dot I'm going to delete this Word document. So if you don't know what type of document or what type of file it is, just right click on it, go to properties, and here you can see the type of file is .docs. Okay, so click OK and you just write docx. So this is file type extension, and now click OK, and let me rename this to file. And no problem if you keep it as item, and let me search for delete activity to delete the files, and I will give or pause the file here. So okay, that's it, and let me run this code, and these two Word documents are going to be deleted. Okay, so you can see here the Word document have been deleted. And similarly, if you want to delete these text files, just click on it and check its type of file is .text. Okay, so go to your UiPath Studio and click on this place, open in advanced editor and add a comma. And inside quotations start dot txt. Okay, now click on OK and run this bot. These two text files, my text and policies files, are going to be deleted. So that's it. And if you want to delete all the files from that folder, you can simply just remove this specification and click OK. Now all the files are going to be deleted. So look at this is an empty folder now. So this is how working on delete files. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like to my video.